Hi, I'm Jeff Nevue. Welcome to Albern Windows and Doors. We have here at our new showroom the exterior of all our windows being featured. And if you zoom over this way, all the interior of our windows being featured. If you're building a home from the ground up, or you have a home that needs to be redone in a retrofit, we have the ability to start you from beginning to end through a retrofit or a full brick-to-brick installation. The windows are coming in with full fill of argon, low E 366, matte finish colors that represent wood from a distance. Any color under the rainbow is available. We can choose the profile prior to getting it there. One thing I really enjoy doing is bringing customers' ideas to reality. You can bring me a picture of your home, or I'll take the picture of your home. We'll do measurements, but the best way, instead of a catalog, instead of just looking at a showroom, instead of running around a neighborhood and viewing other options that other people are doing to their homes, let us digitally mock up your home so that it shows before it goes, or the vision before the decision. Thanks for watching. Visit us at albernwindowsanddoors.com.